Okay guys, we are going to turn in our artwork by uploading it to our Artsonia accounts. And for this project, I created my digital signature in Seesaw. So we're going to be uploading it from there. So once you complete an activity in Seesaw, you'll be able to see the finished artwork in your journal. So I have my journal open and I see my digital signature is right here. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to save this image to my computer. So I'm going to right click on my image and I'm going to save image as. When I do that, I like to just save the image on my desktop because then I delete it right away. If there's a better place for you to save it on your computer, that's up to you. So I'm just going to save it as digital signature on my desktop. And once it pops up, oh, there it is, I can get ready to turn it in. So I linked your Artsonia account directly to our Google Classroom. So when you're ready to turn in a project, for example, our digital signature, you're going to click on that project under coursework. I just clicked on it on the main page. Let me show you how to get to it from classwork. When you go to classwork, you'll see it listed here and it should say Artsonia in parentheses. That's because the Artsonia account is already linked to that assignment. So instead of submitting it like you normally would in Google Classroom, you're going to click the Artsonia link and it's going to open up the Artsonia student portal. Now, many of you are I linked your Artsonia and your Google Classroom accounts together so you won't have to do much else besides upload your artwork. If for some reason you're like me and you don't have a linked account, you're just going to use the school access code that I put in the project slideshow to get into Artsonia. So if I look back at the slideshow, our Google Class code is listed right here. It's SDKN RNPP. So I'm going to go back and enter that. SDKN RNPP. Yep. And press login. And then you're going to choose your grade. I think that I listed myself under first grade, but if I'm not there, I'm just going to pick somebody to add this to. All right, I'm going to pretend that I am, because I don't see my name. I'm going to pretend that I'm Elena. So I'm going to click her name. And what I would do is right where it says digital signature, which is the project you were assigned, you're going to click on the plus side and you're going to add artwork. It's going to ask you to pick the image. And I saved it right on my desktop, so it should pop up right here. If you saved it somewhere else, you'll need to find it first. So I'm going to click on digital signature, choose that, and then press upload now. And what's going to happen is my picture is going to upload. If you need to make any changes to it, these tools up here will help you change it. You probably won't need to though, I wouldn't think. Then you're going to press save, and you're going to choose a title. I'm going to call this my digital signature. You can call it your name, you could make up a title, it's up to you. And I'm going to write turn in. And then you can tell me about your artwork. I read these anytime I check off on your projects. So if you want me to know something about your art, something you like, something that you struggled with, just type it in here. I'm going to say, I love how my letter E looks in my last name. And I'm going to press turn in statement. And then your project is uploaded. It'll be posted to your account as soon as I take a look at it and give you a grade so that you can see it and mom and dad can see it or whoever else is linked into your Artsonia account. I hope that makes it a little bit easier for you guys. Don't forget to let me know if you have any questions.